So you finished your song, and now it's time to mix. But should you send a 2-track or full stems? This choice can make or break your final sound. Today, we're breaking down stem mixing versus 2-track mixing, what they are, the pros, the cons, and which one's right for you. Let's start simple. A 2-track is basically the full instrumental bounced down into one stereo file. That's usually what artists get when they buy or lease a beat online. When you mix with a 2-track, you're basically dropping the vocals on top of that one stereo file. Pros: easy to send, smaller file size, quick workflow. Cons: limited control, you can't adjust kick, snare, or instruments separately. If the beat is too loud in one frequency range, you're stuck working around it. Stems, on the other hand, are the individual files that make up the beat: kick, snare, hi-hats, 808 melody, vocals, effects, all separated. With stems, your mixing engineer can actually balance and process each part of the track. Pros: maximum control, better vocal integration, more headroom for mastering. Cons: larger files, takes longer, usually costs more because the engineer has to mix each layer. Here's the difference in action. With a 2-track, if the hi-hats are too sharp, all you can do is try to EQ them out, risking cutting into the whole instrumental. With stems, you just lower or EQ the hi-hat track by itself. Cleaner, faster, better. If you're making demo tracks, mixtape songs, or just testing ideas, a 2-track mix can work fine. But if you're dropping a single, preparing an album, or aiming for streaming platforms, stems are always the better option. They give you that polished, professional sound that really lets the vocals shine. So here's the takeaway. 2-tracks are quick and convenient, but stems are king if you want your song to sound professional. Which one do you usually use when recording? Drop it in the comments, I want to know. And if this video helped you, hit that like button. Subscribe to Wild One Studios, and let's keep leveling up your sound together.